An explosive clash erupted at the Zanu PF Politburo meeting yesterday as President Emmerson Mnangagwa read the Riot Act to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga supporters. Vakomana zvadhako akudyiwe rinopisa. Gore rino takambozvitaura tikati vakomana ropa radeukaka tinosvika kuna 2028 aiwa vakatisiya vashoma kune vachazotevera. Sara pina mashoko anobuda togwa pana pandudu bo subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Timla pana pa Zim vanobuda onyera vachiti the heated session convened to trim the number of delegates ahead of next month's conference turned into a battleground over growing tensions between the two powerhouses. Mnangagwa accused Chiwenga's allies of using social media to ally support for the vice president, signaling an alarming escalation in their power struggle. Despite a behind-the-scenes deal made after 2017 coup, which ousted RG Mugabe and placed ED Mnangagwa in power, Mnangagwa is now mobilizing to block Chiwenga from taking over in 2028. The meeting saw Mnangagwa issue a STEM warning and rule elements who are abusing various media platforms to cause alarm and disponents. Stand warned, he declared at the head party headquarters, directly targeting Chiwenga's scam. Mnangagwa aiming to replace Chiwenga with his ally Mabosh Nomona at the upcoming Bulawayo conference faces resistance from Chiwenga loyalists within the party. Key figures at the meeting included Mnangagwa's wife Auxilia Chiwenga and senior party members Kembo Mohadi, Opam Chinguri and Obet Mpof. The long-standing rivalry between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, who spearheaded the 2017 coup, continues to threaten party unity with the signs of deeper battle for control as per 2028 transition. Ndomba shikarubuda pana pationa kuti aiwa amchadyi rinopisa vakomana vakukonfrontana vachipanana majebu vachipanana majagon vatiri kuona kuti aiwa they are being directly attributed on these individuals direct v1 vachisangana zvatakuona kuti aiwa hakudyi rinopisa vakomana. Udza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pamashoko ationa kuti aiwa maallies aVP Chiwenga anoatakiwa. Vinango mese section medu mtidze mafungiro enyu musango subscribe or like, turn on the bell.